wherever you are. Take a minute and shine like a star. You can do whatever you wanna do. It's 24 hours, they're all about you.
It's a special day.
Get up on the dance floor.
Time to make a wish.
Get everything you ask for. We gon' celebrate right here, right now with you. We got to party all night and leave the world behind. It's your time right now. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. Salamat kasi ikaw, Mami ko, ikaw. Salamat sa lahat ng binibigay mo sa akin. Kahit lagi kang galit. Sana lang, kung galit ka, lower mo yung voice mo, ha. Naririndi ako. Uy, nag-effort ako, nag-video ako. Tapos good comment mo sinabi ko. Baka yung PS5 ko, bigay mo sa akin, ha. Bye-bye. Love you. Enjoy mo birthday mo.
Game.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Carol. Una sa lahat ay nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon Diyos at ikaw ay pinagkaloob sa akin. Salamat ng marami at hinihiling ko sa Panginoon na bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan para maipagpatuloy mo ang iyong ginagampanan bilang isang ina sa iyong pamilya at happy birthday at more blessings to come. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Carol. Wish you all the best, more blessings to come, and a lot of happiness. Wish you all, love you all. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, I'm Joshua Garcia nga pala. Gusto ko lang i-greet ang aking sister, si Caroline Perez, ng happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. And yun lang. Nga pala, wash out din sa pisang kong tomboy, si Jake Cyrus.
Happy birthday, Carrot! Joyeux anniversaire, Carol!
Alak pa.
Alak pa!
Alak pa.
Alak pa!
Alak pa.
Alak pa! Alak pa! Alak pa! Joyeux anniversaire, Carol! Joyeux anniversaire, Carol! Joyeux anniversaire, Carol! Joyeux anniversaire, Carol! Ikaw na. Sana agumay ko na dito. Happy birthday, Mami Carol. I love you. Sana umuwi ka na dito. Para may kalaro ako.
Happy birthday din na Carol. Sana maabot ka ng 80. Happy birthday din ng Carol, ka pinakamagandang ninang.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Tingnan ka palagi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Carol!
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Love you. Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Wish ko for you good health. More birthdays to come. More euros to come. And sana i-grant ni Lord yung dinidesire ng puso mo. God bless you. And happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Carol. Enjoy your day. God bless and thank you.
Joyeux anniversaire, Carol.
Happy birthday, Carol. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang at wala na.
Hi sis, happy birthday. Ingat palagi dyan. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Carol. Lagi ka mag-iingat.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol.
Hi, Carol. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and enjoy life. Ingat ka palagi and hopefully to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ninang Carol. I wish you all the best and good health. I hope to see you there soon.
Hi, Pinsang Carol. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. At ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Carol. More blessings to come and good health. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Caroline. More birthday to come and I wish you all the best. See you soon. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Ingat palagi dyan. Love you. Tayong pera.
Happy birthday, Carol. I just hope and wish na matupad mo what your heart's desire at syempre good health din lagi kasi talaga namang napakasipag mo. I just hope and wish and pray for more bondings together kasama ng buong family. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Carol. Happy birthday. Ang wish namin sa'yo is good health, tsaka sana another baby.
Happy birthday, Ninang Carol.
Happy birthday po, Tita Carol.
Ingat kayo dyan sa Paris. Bye-bye.
Carol! Welcome to birthday! Sana marami ka pang birthday na abutin.
Happy birthday, Carol. Sana
malasimpan.
Birthday, Carol.
Ayan, kamusta mo?
Happy birthday, Carol.
Carol!